Hello everybody and welcome back to the Rich Life. Today I'm showing you how to make my favorite DIY natural and toxin-free products for spring cleaning. Remember I showed you how to make my favorite winter body butter? Well, this is the spring version, only it's for your home. I love making products like this because first of all, they're much better for the environment than commercial products that are out there, and they're way cheaper, which is always a bonus, right? And then two, I have such a sensitive nose. I get migraines from strong smells, so I can't take the smells that come from commercial products, so I have to do this in our home. And then three, I have a little girl who likes to clean. She got that from my mom, not me, but I like to use products that are friendly to her too. So I'm gonna show you how you can use some basic ingredients that you probably already have in your home to make cleaners that you use every day. And then I'm gonna show you some of the cool products that I use because you know I always like to keep it a little fancy too. And I'm gonna show you where you can get those as well. So the first product we're making today is what I call Riley's Mix. It's just a super simple all-purpose surface cleaner that's made with just 3 ingredients. The first is distilled water. You wanna make sure that you always use distilled water in your cleaning products because all of the impurities are removed. And then we're using white vinegar. Make sure you use white vinegar versus the other kinds of vinegars because they may stain. And then we're using lemon juice. We're squeezing it right in this really cool spray bottle from Full Circle. Riley loves this because it's really hands-on DIY and it works really well. I like for her to use it in the tub when she finishes the bath, so she gets to join in on some of the fun too in the cleaning. Next up, we are making another all-purpose surface cleaner, but this time I'm using a concentrate from Grove Collaborative. I love making these. They come already pre-packaged. All you have to do is add the concentrate to your glass bottle, and I put a little A on here that also comes with the concentrate to let me know that this is an all-purpose cleaner. They also make a great glass cleaner and a tub and tile cleaner as well. One of the reasons I like using this one in the kitchen especially is that you can't use vinegar on natural surfaces like granite and marble, but this one you can use on nearly every surface and it smells amazing. Next up is our all-natural glass cleaner. For this, we're using distilled water, except we're making it hot. We're also using our white vinegar, just a little bit of Castile soap, and that's there to help remove some of that residue that might have been left from commercial products when you're cleaning your glass and your windows. And then we're also using a little bit of essential oil. Now, use whatever you want. I like to use grapefruit, lemon, citrus oils are just great for that nice, clean, fresh scent, but again, use whatever you want. And I like to use microfiber cloths too. Next up is our Grout Cleaner, which is super easy as well. We're using Castile soap, baking soda, which is a great mild abrasive, also a great stain remover. I use this on nearly everything. And then for this one, I'm using peppermint essential oil because I love the way the bathroom smells when you run the shower after you've used this on the grout. The steam and the peppermint are just lovely. And for my tools, I'm using this really cool grout brush, again from Grove Collaborative, and this walnut scouring pad. It does not scratch anything, it's all natural, and it's pretty cool too. And last but not least, this is a lavender rosemary room and linen spray that I'm making to freshen up the house and to spray on our sheets, especially Riley sheets, because lavender is very calming, very soothing, very relaxing. So we're gonna use this around bedtime. And what I do is add witch hazel, distilled water, lavender essential oil, and to make it extra fancy, I'm adding fresh rosemary and dried lavender to the bottle so that aesthetically it just looks nice, smells nice, makes you feel like spring is here. So my house smells amazing right now. I think that room linen spray works actually a little too well because I could really take a good nap right now. But I hope you try these. I hope you let me know which ones are your favorites. And if you have your own recipes that you want to share, make sure to send them my way. And speaking of recipes, make sure you check out the link below so that you know exactly what formulations you need to use, how much of each ingredient you need to put in. And then if you want to check out some of the products that I've shared with you today, those links are listed below too. And I hope, last but not least, always that you subscribe so that you can stay up to date with all of the latest here at The Riche Life. Until next time, take care, everybody.